Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Nasdaq Opening Bell. I am Sean Wasserman, Global Head of Index and Advisor Solutions at Nasdaq. It is my great pleasure to welcome Hashdex Asset Management to join us today to open the Nasdaq stock market. Earlier this year, Nasdaq was extremely proud to launch the Nasdaq Crypto Index in partnership with Hashdex, a first-of-its-kind index to track the performance of a diverse basket of USD-traded digital assets. Soon thereafter, Hashdex Asset Management launched the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index ETF, which is available for trading on the Bermuda Stock Exchange. And now today, we are here to celebrate the next milestone in our partnership with the launch of the Hashdex Nasdaq Crypto Index ETF, ticker symbol #11, now trading on the Brazil Stock Exchange. Today's launch illustrates the expansive growth and maturity of the cryptocurrency market while showcasing the strength of Nasdaq and Hashdex leadership in this new asset class. As institutional interest in digital assets continues to accelerate, we, along with Hashdex and our index calculation partner, CF Benchmarks, will continue to innovate with relevant products to meet investor demand. We are proud to be here today to celebrate our partnership with Hashdex and their continued success. And now, please join me in welcoming Marcelo Sampaio, CEO of Hashdex, to the virtual podium.
Hello, I'm Marcelo Sampaio, co-founder and CEO of Hashdex, and I'm thrilled to be here in Times Square with all of you today to celebrate the listing of the first crypto index ETF in the world. #11 begins trading today on the Brazilian Stock Exchange, and we're delighted to bring to market what we believe to be the best way for investors to gain access to crypto assets. Blockchain technology is one of the most important inventions of our generation. In the coming decades, crypto is poised to change our lives, just like the internet has completely reshaped how we communicate, collaborate, and transact. The protocols underlying the internet enable the whole world to share information instantaneously. The protocols underlying blockchain networks will do the same, but in this case for value, enabling products and services never possible before. While Bitcoin's growth has been drawing the attention of investors across the world, when it comes to this new asset class, we believe Bitcoin is just the tip of the iceberg. There will be many winning technologies for a diverse set of use cases, and our investors will have exposure to the best of them. Decentralized finance, non-fungible tokens, smart contracts, oracles, cross-border payments, the array of real-world opportunities for blockchain technology is incredibly vast, and crypto is a whole lot more than the idea of digital currency alone. We're still in the early days though, and in all likelihood, the most exciting crypto projects have not even been invented yet. At Hashdex, we believe portfolios should get long-term exposure to the winning crypto networks. And to do that, a solid market index is the best approach. So we're very proud to have partnered with Nasdaq to develop the Nasdaq Crypto Index, namely the best way to benchmark the digital assets market. Our #11 ETF tracks the performance of the NCI. Well, today, #11 kicks off at B3. We see this as a major step on our journey towards making crypto accessible to all investors at all markets globally. We're fully aware that, like Lin-Manuel would say, history has its eyes on us, and we couldn't be more honored. Thank you all, and join me today to welcome #11 to market, the first crypto index ETF in the planet.